You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from German, but that's a bit of a slang term now for a goblin, which has a bit of anger issues. The German pronunciation and how you can say it in English, pronounced as Randalekobolt. That's German pronunciation, a riot, literally riot, goblin. Randalekobolt in English, therefore, it's normally pronounced as Randalekobolt. Randalekobolt. You can say it in English, how to pronounce Randalekobolt, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.